If you have not been challenged by any of the prior lessons in A Course in Miracles, this lesson, lesson 190, may be the greatest challenge of them all. But if you make the shift in this lesson, you may not require any further lessons in order to awaken. Lesson 190 states, if pain is real, there is no God. It's going to challenge your faith, your belief, your trust, your identification, because it states that pain is but a thought. It is a thought that causes your pain. Can you believe that? Or are you so attached to your pain? What is pain but a thought in how you interpret what is happening to you? You might say, my heart hurts because of something that happened. Why does your heart hurt? What are you holding on to? What are you attached to? What are you not trusting? What do you not believe in that's causing your heart to hurt? Now, I know that pain has a relative reality. We're experiencing pain in this life, but what A Course in Miracles is saying is that the dream applies to the experience of pain as well. That in spirit, your ultimate reality cannot experience pain, because the God of love is not a God of vengeance. Your experience as spirit knows that pain is impossible. The dream gives you an appearance of pain. It is a dream of fierce retaliation for a crime that could not be committed. There is nothing in the world that has the power to make you ill or sad or weak or frail. The world you see does nothing. It has no effect at all. It merely represents your thoughts. That is the effect. It's neutral. But the effect is a representation of your thoughts and the meaning that you give. So are you willing to accept that your pain is not true? Lay down all thoughts of danger and of fear. Pain is illusion. Joy, reality. Pain is but sleep. Joy is awakening. Pain is deception. Joy alone is truth. So like I said, this lesson will challenge you. What's more important to you? What do you value more? Your suffering or your knowledge that you are created in the image of God, whole, loving, joyful, and at peace? Do you value more your identification with all of your problems, or the belief that your only true problem is the idea that you can possibly be separated from the love of God? It's not an and, it's an or. What do you believe is real, truly real? That's lesson 190. Please comment and let me know how this feels. And it's okay if you're not yet ready to let go of the suffering and the pain. It's absolutely okay. But if you're ready to let it go now, remember that it's a choice. It's a choice to accept the love and the joy of God instead of the pain. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow for the next lesson.